Papa will be so happy today.
Happy birthday, Nimbus!
Tonight, you will not live long, Nimbus.
No, Papa. Help! My Papa is dying. Please hurry.
We will start surgery, but pay the fee quickly, Snowy.
Where do I get money now? If my fur can save Papa, then take it all. Goodbye, fur, for Papa's life.
Such fine fur. Here's your payment.
Please save my Papa.
We have stabilized him.
Snowy.
How did you save me? You're my hero, son. I saw the one who pushed.
Papa, the tall black cat. No! I will be back.
Love and sacrifice are worth more than money. Family is everything. And thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.